Hello everyone, this video is from Preeti Academy International School for Standard 7th, chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. In this video, we are going to learn processing fibers into wool. Once the reared sheep have developed a thick coat of hair, it is shaved off for getting the wool. But once the wool has hairs of the sheep are grown, then sheep is shaved off to obtain the wool. To get the wool from the sheep by a long process which involves the various steps. To obtain the wool from the shaved hairs of the sheep, there is a long process. Let us study each step one by one. Step number 1 is shearing. The fleece, that is the coat of wool of the sheep, along with a thin layer of skin, is peeled from the body of sheep. First of all, the fleece of sheep is peeled, means removed from the body of sheep. It is done manually with large razors or with an electrical driven shearing machine. See here, you can see here the man using a blade to shave the sheep. It can be done by razor or with the electrical driven shearing machine. The process of removing the hairs from the body of sheep is called shearing. The process of removing hairs from the body of sheep is called shearing. Shearing does not hurt the sheep. Shearing does not hurt the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin of the sheep is dead. The uppermost skin of the sheep is dead. Sheep are sheared in the early summer so that they do not feel the heat. Sheep are being shaved in the early summer so they do not feel heat. The hairs of the sheep grown again before the onset of the winter and protect them from the cold weather. After shaving, they used to again have the hairs on their body to protect themselves from the winter. Second process is scoring. The fleece of the sheep contains dust, dirt, sweat, vegetable matter, grease, etc. The fleece of the sheep are not clean. They contain dust, sweat, mud, etc. The fleece of sheep is thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap or detergent and a lot of water in the tank. See here, in the tank the fleas are put in and they are being washed with soaps and detergent. The process of washing the fleece of the sheep to remove the dust, dirt, sweat, grease, etc. is called scouring. This process for removing the dirt, mud, sweat of the sheep from the fleece is called scouring. Third process is sorting. Third process is sorting. After scouring, means after cleaning, the wool is separated or sorted into the various categories on the basis of quality. It is being sorted according to their quality. Once only fleece of long fine quality is sent to factory for the further process. The fleece with a long fiber, only that fleece are sent to further for processing. The process of separating the long fine quality of fleece from the remaining inferior quality or broken piece is called sorting. The process of separating the long fiber from these fleece is called sorting. Fourth is combining. The fleece is combined to remove the bunch, that is tiny cords. थोड़े थोड़े जो कॉर्ड्स मीन्स जो बंधे हुए रहते हैं ना नॉट्स, वो नॉट्स को रिमूव करने के लिए. द फ्यूअर द बर्ड्स द बेटर इज़ द वूल। जितने कम नॉट्स होंगे उतनी बेटा वूल क्या रहेगी, अच्छी क्वालिटी की रहेगी। ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग द बर्ड्स फ्रॉम द फ्लीस इज कॉल्ड combining. The fibers are straightened in this step. Straight fibers are being obtained in this step. Fifth is dyeing. The natural fleece of sheep is black, brown or white in color. The fibers obtained after combining are dyed into the various color. We used to wear the various colors of clothes. So for getting the color, these fleece are being dyed. उन पे कलर किया जाता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज स्पिनिंग। द स्ट्रेटेंड फाइबर्स आर स्पन टू ट्विस्टेड टुगेदर टू मेक अ yarn. These straighted fibers are twisted together to obtain a yarn. The woolen yarn is either ketaned or woven, that is, they are being woven to make the sweaters, blankets, etc. The long fibers are ketaned into the wools for sweaters and other short fibers are woolen into woolen clothes. जो लॉन्ग होते हैं उनमें से स्वेटर्स बनाए जाते हैं और जो छोटे फाइबर्स होते हैं उनमें से वुलन के क्लोथ्स बनाए जाते हैं। थैंक यू एवरीवन।